trusted friend, the Icon Airflite, sitting here waiting to see what's going to come out of this box as well. Maybe it's another helmet. Who knows? So, first of all, let me put the knife away before I cut myself. All right. Abracadabra. We have. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Is that beautiful? Oh, what fire. Let me pick it up here. Take a look at it. Wow. That gloss on it is like out of this world. Oh my goodness, look at that visor. Oh yes. Oh yes. We got the air vents here. Oh, they got levels on the air vent. 1, 2, and just have it open just a peep. And from everything that I've read on the Airfram, oh my goodness, this helmet is beautiful. Here's my chin strap. I see they put that in there. Look at the padding on the inside of the helmet. This is the Icon Airframe Pro Carbon helmet. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Oh my goodness. I'm ready to take me a ride right now with this baby. Okay. So let's get these straps out of here. And of course, they have their famous buckling system, which they're known for. But it's just a little bit different than the one that I have on the Icon Airflite. Yeah, it's still beautiful. And it's so light. Wow, this is about 2 pounds and some change. Super lightweight. You have all the approvals, worldwide approvals on the back here. This is the Airframe Pro Carbon. So, and the reason why I ended up getting the Airframe Pro Carbon helmet from Icon is because I went on Ruroc's website. You know, they have that 40% off sale right now. And I went on their website looking for the Liquid Carbon Atlas 3.0 on their website. So I put all my credentials in. Oh wow, look how easy that mouthpiece pops out there. But I went on Ruroc's website to purchase the Liquid Carbon helmet Atlas 3.0. I put all of my credentials in, you know, I made it all the way to the checkout, and then something happened on the website. Something happened on the website that prevented me from making the order. And, you know, it pissed me off. And so I wanted a carbon fiber helmet. Not just one with carbon fiber print, but one that actually was carbon fiber to go along with the magnificent carbon deck on the Rion Thrust. And so whenever I couldn't purchase the Ruroc Liquid Carbon on their website, I said, you know, I could probably shoot them an email and go back and forth with them about the troubles that I'm having with with purchasing on their website, or I could just go with the helmet that I've been looking at ever since I first got the Airflite. Now, one of the reasons why I love the Icon design is because of its aerodynamics. And when you're riding hyper scooters and you get up to 50 miles per hour, if you're wearing a helmet that's fairly cheap, you know, you're going to feel that wind push on your head. And for me, that's the last thing I wanted to experience. I did not want to experience the push of the wind on my head as I'm riding. And I wanted the helmet that would give me the most efficient aerodynamic feel that I could possibly get. And that's one of the things that I had researched about the, you know, the Icon Airframe. So lo and behold, Icon, it comes out with this next level of aerodynamic and lightweight helmet, which is the Airframe Pro Carbon. And so that's why I went with the Pro Carbon. Now, I'm not a true long oval, so I had to kind of get smaller cheek pads for the Icon Airflite to accommodate that squeeze that you get on your face whenever you put it on. And so after I did that, man, this helmet was perfect. But this helmet sitting right here next to the Airframe Pro, wow. It looks longer than this helmet. The Airframe Pro, it has a little bit more room in the front to accommodate your cheeks. So I'm looking forward to a riding experience that gives me a little bit more a little bit more wiggle room around the jaw area. And I might end up putting the micins out of my helmet. Who knows, to do some talking. But I hope the Airflite doesn't get jealous. But Airframe is in the house. Now, I've watched several videos on how to, first let me get these tags out of here. And I'm going to put that visor on right now. Now, from the videos I saw, the method that I saw to take, is awesome. Okay, pop that off. That one on that side. And pop this one off, and I'm using the top corner to pop it off. Bring the helmet all the way up. Let's see, let's make sure, because I do not want to break my clear shield. Bring the helmet all the way up, and it should pop out. Yeah, that's what it is. It just comes up and I pops it out. I didn't break anything, I promise you. Oh, and I just pop that out. Pops right out. Yep. So we're good. Everything is good. Didn't break it. Still got the plastic shield on it. You got little catches right there and right there. And you have to line those catches up so that they fit down in these grooves right here. There it is. And there it is. So I was able to snap it in right out of the box. And as you can see, I've got fingerprints everywhere. Put it up. Then I'm going to come back and wipe some of these humongous fingerprints off. Ooh. Oh, I have a mess here. She's starting to look good though. So let's pop her on and give her a look, see and see how she feels. 3, hit it. Okay, the cheeks, they feel a little tight, but they don't feel like the type of tight that is too small tight. They feel like the type of tight that will eventually like break in a little bit. Let's see here. I thought I had this thing down by muscle memory. Just go in and back out through the longer loop. I think with the difference between this one and the Icon Airflite is that they made the second hook a little longer, so that you could reach it a lot easier. and make sure that the strap is under and shoes on. This helmet is extremely light. And I noticed that they made a little port back here in the back so that it doesn't tug on your, jackets and stuff. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad on and off. And this helmet will be perfect with the Rion Thrust. So, Icon Airflite meet the Airfram Carbon Pro. And with that, guys, I think I've spent enough time talking about helmets. Peace out, ride safe, and wear your helmet.